Tangem Wallet not working, how to fix connection or activation issues. If your Tangem Wallet isn't working, stuck activating, won't connect, or keep giving errors, here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the most common issues based on the latest updates. First things first, you want to check the NFC and device setup. You want to make sure NFC is turned on your phone settings and inside the Tangem application. On Android, NFC might be disabled by a case or customization, so you want to remove any case and reposition card near the NFC antenna. You want to also try restarting your phone before scanning again. So basically, just head over to your phone setting and make sure that you have the NFC options turned on. And so before we head even further, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Second, you want to hold the card steady during activation. Tangem frequently fails to activate if the card is moved too soon. You want to keep it still until the scan window fully closes. A common solution is resetting the card set and restarting the setup. Just withdraw your funds first. Now from there, you want to go ahead and fix error codes. For example, we have the error code 41234. If you get this error code right here, it means that your card backup setup was interrupted or mislink. To resolve it, you want to factory reset all your cards, clear old keys, and set up a fresh wallet, but ensure it is empty first. From there, you then want to go ahead and update your Tangem wallet. You always want to use the latest Tangem application version for both iOS and Android on Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. Now, past security bugs like the log vulnerability issues were fixed in the recent updates, so you want to keep updating the application because this helps avoid hidden glitches. From there, you then want to balance or blockchain loading failures. If your balance reads blockchain unavailable, you want to try refreshing the token page, pull to refresh, and you want to try switching internet connections, Wi-Fi versus cellular. You want to go ahead and get yourself a secure internet connection in order to fix this problem. You want to try disabling any VPNs and reinstalling the Tangem application if the issue persists. Now, you also want to reinstall and disable VPNs. Turn off any VPNs or firewalls which can block connectivity to Tangem servers. Then uninstall and reinstall the Tangem application. You will be prompted to re-add your cards and input access codes to reconnect them together. Now, another error is the setup issues or freezing on iOS. A user reported that their finalize setup button was missing due to large text settings. Reducing text size revealed the button and resolved the freeze. If the application freezes in the activation flow, you want to try adjusting accessibility or display settings to ensure that all screen buttons are visible. Now, if it's still not working, you want to try contacting support. You want to use the application's contact support button via the three-dot menu. If your issues is more serious like frozen transactions or unknown errors, you want to email support@tangem.com with a clear description. And so, let's go ahead and talk about some quick troubleshooting checklist. Now, you want to enable NFC and remove phone cases. Once again, phone cases can go ahead and disrupt the connection between the NFC and your phone. You want to hold the card over correct NFC areas. This will ensure that our phone and the Tangem card will have a secure connection. You want to turn off VPNs, firewalls, and reinstall the application. You want to ensure that you're on the latest application version. If activation errors, for example, 41234, factory reset after moving your funds. Now you want to fix setup freezing by adjusting your screen size or accessibility. You want to try to refresh balance, switch network and reinstall, and you want to contact support if this persists. So basically, you can just head over to their main website right here. And simply once inside, you then want to scroll all the way down. And you will be able to see the Contact Us button. It's going to be inside this page right here. So you can just go ahead and use the contact button, or you can then go ahead and email them on this specific email address right here, which is going to be support@tangem.com. You want to go ahead and discuss that you are having a specific problem that you cannot go ahead and fix. Now you want to go ahead and try this, especially if you have funds on your wallet, in order to go ahead and avoid losing them. Now, some TLDR guides. NFC and application updates matter most. Rescanning the card properly and disabling VPN fixes 90% of the issues. For setup error codes like 41234 or app freezes, you want to factory reset and create the wallet after sweeping your funds to go ahead and keep it safe. And finally, you always want to try to reach out to Tangem support if these steps don't resolve your problem. Once again, you'll want to go ahead and make sure that you move your funds carefully before trying to go ahead and reset your account, in order to make sure that you won't lose your account when moving your funds. You can also go ahead and try to join communities like the Tangem community or Reddit subforums. So in the official website of Tangem, you will be able to see the community button, and from here you can go ahead and try FAQs inside X, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You can then go ahead and ask the community about your problem, or if someone already encountered that problem, see if they offered a solution in order for you to fix your problem. As you can see, if you then go ahead and navigate through their page like Instagram, you will be able to see their page right here, and some of their posts contains FAQs. You can also go ahead and try to contact them inside Discord, because this offers a larger community and a better support, so you can then go ahead and always contact them inside Discord. And before we end the video, once again, you always want to secure your funds before trying to reset your funds in order to avoid losing them. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.